Hi, this is Mr. Lewick, and this screencast is to show you some things you need to know when you use Google Earth. So when you get to this page, that's when you go to the link for Google Earth, click on the Launch Google Earth in Chrome icon in the top right, and a new tab will open up. You let it load up, and once it's loaded up, it's going to look like this page. I'm going to X out this other tab because I had one opened up for you already. All right, here we go. So you're in outer space looking down at Earth. So you want to figure out where you want to visit. So you can search by clicking on this search tool. It looks like a magnifying glass. It even says search when I scroll over it. So I tap on that. And in the search box where the cursor is, I can type in. So I'm going to type in Regan Intermediate. Ooh, it autofilled. Regan Intermediate School. I tap on that. Let it load up. And it's going to fly me right to Regan Intermediate School. It's looking for it anyways. There we go. So I'm up above looking down on the school. There's our whole campus. Now, parts are a little bit blurry, so sometimes you got to wait for it to all load up and for the image to render. All right, so here I am. Now some tools that you can use. Right now I'm in 2D mode. Over here in the bottom right, if I click on 2D, it changes to 3D, which is right over top. I'm just going to X out this window here. All right. Now, some other tools. You can zoom in farther by clicking the zoom in tools, either plus to zoom in or minus. Another way to zoom in and out is by pinching on your mouse pad with your thumb and your pointer finger. You can pinch in or pinch out. If I pinch in, it zooms in. If I start with my thumb and pointer finger together and pinch out, it zooms out. But I'm going to use this plus and minus, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. If I click and hold, it goes faster. So you can play around and see how high you want to get. Now here's another tool. This is called Street View. This little person. If I click and hold on my mouse pad and drag it out, and when I hold it over streets, anywhere that's blue, I can drop it in. Now I can't drop it inside the school because there's nothing blue telling me it's okay to do that. So let's see, I'm going to drop it on the road here and see what that looks like. All right, it's going to fly right in, and I'm down on the street. Now, if I put my cursor somewhere on the screen, click and hold with one finger on my mouse pad, and with my finger on the other hand, slide around, I can turn around and look at the school. There it is. Now, these arrows here allow me to move down the street so you can like drive on roads. Now, when you're done with Street View, you want to go somewhere else, click on the Street View icon again. Exit Street View. And I'm going to go back up like I'm flying up above our school. So let me try another search here. Someplace I really like to go that I've never been. I want to go to the Grand Canyon. So I'm going to type in Grand Canyon. Oh, there it autofilled. Click that. And you want to be patient while it takes you from where you are and flies you to the Grand Canyon National Park. How cool is that? And over here, it does have some information that you can read about. I'm going to X that out for right now. I definitely want to zoom in on this. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and hold it. Yeah, it zoomed me in. I can look all around. Ooh, Grand Canyon National Park. Now I'm moving around like this by clicking and holding with one finger anywhere on the map and dragging with the other. I'm going to zoom in here. Look at that river. I bet you that's the Colorado River. All right, I'm going to see what it looks like in 2D. So I click on 3D to go to 2D. Here we go. And now I'm going to try dropping in. Anywhere that turns blue. Ooh, so anywhere there. I'm going to drop in right in the river. How cool is this? And be patient. Let it fly you in and render the image. It's getting there. I thought it was. Let me try. Oh, there it goes. Glad I waited. And how cool is this? It's a real picture. Like you were on the Colorado River in the Grand Canyon. If I click on these arrows here, I can go down the river. I can click and hold and look around on the map and look all around. So that's pretty neat. All right, so there are some tricks to get you going. You can click around on different things and see what happens. Have some fun. See you later.